Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use this Supreme Kai's Grand Guidance. So did you receive the gift? The gift is contain some dragonstone and also this key, guidance key of Supreme Kai. And you can use this to challenge the event of uh, in the limited event in Portal of Memories. So what I want to show you is go to Portal of Memories, tap Portal of Memories, and go to the limit, this one. Supreme Kai Grand Guidance, guaranteed to leveling up skills. So this event you can link up your skill until 10 if you have your favorite unit. You want to level up the link skills, you can do it here. So let's try once a time. So I want to link up my newest summon, Future Saga uh, of Gohan, Super Saiyan Gohan from Future Saga. So let's untap the event. So I will cut it the time, and I want to show you how it ends. So it's finished. Let's see how much my unit link skill level up. Oh, it was a good event. So my link skill is level up. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.